Welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. In today's video, we are looking at a design of a shipping container house designed using two 40-foot shipping containers. Stay tuned to find out more about this modern shipping container bungalow house design. If you are looking for modern floor plans for container homes, a weekly update on case studies for most influential shipping container homes from around the world, plus detailed articles from our building guide for shipping container homes, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more weekly videos. Check out our website sheltermode.com for lots of free resources, modern floor plans, and blueprints. If you like our videos plus our valuable content on shipping container living, feel free to support our channel on Patreon through the link in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started. Design concept. This modern shipping container house is designed using two 40-foot shipping containers. The two containers are placed parallel to each other and sheared horizontally to create a dynamic floor plan. The containers are set apart 1.2 meters to increase the habitable space of the house. In addition, the two containers are linked with an additional infill space to cover the additional open space in between the two modules and covered with a flying roof to protect that additional space from weather elements. The offset spaces on both sides provide an entrance porch on one end and a small balcony nook on the rear part for the master bedroom. Salient features. This amazing modern shipping container house accommodates the following salient features. On the entrance, we have a covered entrance porch into the house through the main entrance door. Once you land into the open plan living space, you experience a spacious open plan kitchen on the right hand side with a kitchen island and breakfast area for two. On the left hand side, we have an open living space accommodating a small cozy dining space that can accommodate a dining set that can seat up to 6 people. On the front part, we have a cozy lounge space with a sofa seat facing an entertainment unit. This spacious open plan living space opens onto a big outdoor deck through the full height folding glass doors, which bring in adequate daylighting and cross ventilation at the same time allowing physical access to the outdoors. In front, we have the private section of the house, which accommodates 3 bedrooms. We have a master bedroom on the extreme end, which also has its own master bathroom. There's also adequate wardrobe space to complement this amazing master bedroom space. On the extreme end, we have a full height glass door opening onto a Juliet balcony to provide a private outdoor sitting space for the master bedroom. The other 2 bedrooms occupy the opposite side of the shipping container and they are serviced by a common bathroom, which is also used as a guest bathroom. If you need a laundry space and an additional pantry space for your kitchen area, you can convert one of the bedrooms into a laundry space, and therefore that will leave you with only 2 bedroom spaces. So the choice is yours. If you need more space, then you can compromise and have stackable washing machines in the bathroom or in the kitchen area and retain the 3 bedrooms as designed. Interior design. This amazing modern 3-bedroom house accommodates all the required spaces that can make this house functional. We've tried to accommodate all these spaces with optimal sizes, and therefore we required to create a feel of spaciousness, airiness, and openness, hence the use of the open plan living space on the front of the house. The other bedroom spaces are painted white to make the spaces appear bigger and spacious, helping to remove that constricting feel of shipping container boxes. You can also use full height glazing for the opening doors and windows so that you provide adequate daylighting and cross ventilation of your spaces. Feel free to incorporate feature colors like what you've done for the entertainment unit in the lounge area, and also you can use interesting backsplash tiles for your kitchen to create a bit of contrast into the living room. On the outdoors and exteriors, we've tried to retain original corrugated container walls on one of the shipping containers to contrast with the other shipping container, which has been covered with a timber siding material. You can explore any other material for the siding or for the exterior cladding depending on your preference. This is basically to bring out a bit of contrast by highlighting the 2 modules plus the additional offset space in between. We've also covered the shipping container that has accommodated the offset space with a flying roof to add a bit of design flair to the design and to provide a cover on top of the space to shield it from weather elements. The shipping containers are elevated off the ground on concrete pier foundations. Feel free to explore any other foundation that you find appropriate depending on your location and on the cost of your design. Feel free to check out our previous video where we've covered all the types of shipping container foundations that can be used on shipping container homes and buildings. On the outdoors, we provided an adequate outdoor sitting space, which is a beautiful deck accessible directly from the open plan living space. This space is serviced by full height folding glass doors, which provide a seamless access between the indoors and the outdoors. The kitchen and the master bedroom have access to Juliet balconies, which provide a residual space for small outdoor activities for the kitchen and private seating for the master bedroom. This amazing shipping container house design is ideal for those who prefer compact and spacious shipping container accommodation without breaking the bank. This particular combination gives you upwards of 640 plus square feet of habitable space, and therefore you can modify it to suit your preference. If you like this floor plan, you can purchase it from our website sheltermode.com using the link in the description below. Kindly give us your opinion on what you think or what you like about this amazing design, and if there are any questions, feel free to contact us on our website sheltermode.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.